So inside of Microsoft Project, what you can also do is add in external hyperlinks that links to some other file on your computer or a web page. So for example, if I want to go around and link the storyboarding task right here to, let's say, a file in my computer, then I can simply right click over here and then click on link. Once I do that, I can go around and select out existing file or a web page, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can navigate around my computer itself. So I'm going to go around onto my TutorTube drive right here. And let's say what I'm going to do is select out tutortube.jpg file right here and press OK. Now you can see that a link is added on to this particular task right here. And if I were to go around and click, then it opens up that file, as you can see right here. Similarly, what you can also do is you can go around and then link out a website. So I'm going to go around over here and go to link for that. And over here in the address section, I'm going to go around and type in www.wikipedia.com right here, just like this, or wikipedia.org, just like this, and press OK. So there's this link right here, and if you were to go around and click, then what happens is that it opens up this web page, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and add in external hyperlinks to your tasks or any other objects as well. You can use the same method to add in external hyperlinks inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.